All right, so what time is it? It is 5:48. This is a brand new 2025 Hyundai Tucson, guys. There's nothing wrong with this vehicle, but I figured to show you guys how to remove and install your 12-volt battery. Stay tuned. I got my 10mm. Remove the negative battery cable first, then the positive. There we go. Then there is a battery hold clamp right here. And I got 12mm an extension. I got the magnetic one. All right, pick it up, and there you have it. This is your part number right here. And let's go ahead and install it back. Gotta go ahead and line this up. There you go. Okay. Alright, so when you install it back, always install the battery positive cable first. Then go ahead and tighten it. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Make sure it's tight. Then install the negative one. Where is it? It's right here. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Now, let's go ahead and see what time is it. It is 5:53. And this one is auto, and auto down and auto up, and the passenger side is just a manual. Alright, again, there's nothing wrong with this vehicle, guys. I figure down the road you might need this information, so here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.